welcome to my teaching portfolio. As you can see my welcome page, I now have my own picture of me as well as a brief description. I also took the time to change the year to make sure that it's up to date. We will start off by looking at my artifacts and rationales for this class. As you can see underneath the very beginning page, I have the assessment unit design, the rubric design assignment, the test design assignment, and my learning objectives. Scrolling back up, you can also see my tag cloud is right here as well as my categories. We will start off by looking at my learning objectives, which will be right down here. We can click on this. For this one, I decided to do just this on the page instead of doing it as an attachment. I included a clip art to kind of make it a little more pop for it. This assignment, I decided to do 3 learning objectives for a kindergarten math lesson. We needed to have 3 different parts to a learning objective, so I have my 3 different parts all in different colors. I also have the standard that goes with those learning objectives. Next, we will go over the test design. Again, I used the same topic for my test design that I used on my learning objectives. I have a first draft of my design test, which includes the standards and the learning objectives, and it includes also the different types of questions that I needed for this test in order to reach all types of students and ask all different types of questions. And then my final draft, again, has the standards and the learning objectives, and then has all of my questions in the order that they would be going in. Next, we will go over my rubric design. Again, I have a first draft and a second draft. My first draft, it's again kindergarten mathematics. It would be for the gluing numbers 0 to 20 in order. My first draft only has 1 row, but after talking to my peers, we decided that that wasn't a very good rubric. So in the end, we decided to add 2 more with the gluing and cutting, because that's just another thing that I can assess them on as kindergartners. They need to be able to know how to do that as they go through school. And finally, we will go through my unit or assessment unit. This I decided to just add as an attachment, but as you can see, I do have my reflection of how it goes with in Task 6, which is in my category. And I just have it as an attachment. So I have my phase 1 and it's all labeled. And then my phase 2. And then I have my phase 3 with the activities as well as my teacher's webpage resource. As you can see, I have my tags on there, and I also wanted to show you guys how I do have, this class does involve a lot about InTask 6, but I do have a link for everything that I have to do with InTask 6, so it's just another category link, so anything that I have under the category for InTask 6 will be on this page. And that is my teaching portfolio for this class. Thank you guys for watching.